and power bank to put in here. Light rod in here. This is
Fluorescent tubes.
light rod but tubes.
Yeah, the long ones.
These are for your
Hands.
hands, and these are fat packs are like your milk cartons.
Wow, that's so good.
They're like cartons.
I love it because Mommy loves sustainability. Let's go.
Me too. I love recycling.
What? What, Ma?
Two.
Good. 3. Wow. Nice. Yeah, look at that. For lunch. Whoa!
It looks nicer. It looks so good.
Are you serious? Spaghetti?
It's not spaghetti, it's just meatball.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Want spaghetti?
No, because I don't want to touch the salmon and blocks.
What's it like? Tell them. Your favorite veggie, right? Say bye-bye to the cafe.
Bye bye.
A few minutes later.
I'm just having a rest before I go to IKEA. Let me go. I'm kidding, I'm in IKEA. Get up. Follow me, but first. Ooh. Whoa. This is so nice.
Yeah, it's a nice room, isn't it?
Yes, Mama, yeah.
It's a baby.
And now I'm gonna create a new look for my room. And of course a double decker. Follow me. I'm gonna do furniture. Why does the roof connect to a carpet? So many choices. What is a TV? I'm just gonna watch TV. So nice TV. Hey, stop videoing.
Good idea for outside our veranda, Don, for our YouTube studio. What do you think? Green background, beautiful lights hanging up, and then we can use this kitchen bench. Spend the next 25 minutes with me, and you'll be excited to see what we produced today. What have we got today? Wow, this is amazing. Okay, I would like to order one eclair, strawberry mango, and my son will have a sugar muffin. So the total will be how much today? $5,120.
What?
Oh, hi.
It was all connected.
What's that you're getting, Don? Oh, I see. It's IKEA Lego stuff. Cool.
A few inches later.
This is a blueberry banana.
Yeah.
The blueberry is so good. The blueberry is amazing. So good.
I love ice cream. All right, come on.
Yummy. Perfect for the hot Singapore weather.
Did you know why these are two colors? Because it's the IKEA color. Look.
That's right. Wow.